Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and Litecoin has moved in the last week and how these cryptocurrencies can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, what you can see that it is currently trading at around 44680. Okay, and a pattern is forming, a cup pattern trying to form in this particular range. So if this range, if it goes above a level of 46 139, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 48 472, and if that sustain, then we can see it can move further upside. And before that, if you have any doubt regarding any cryptocurrencies or any other doubt you have in your mind, okay, or your position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold and other commodities plus cryptos are working. And if you wish to join my channel, I have given link in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what we can see, a U pattern is forming, a cup pattern trying to form in this particular zone. Okay, and if the Bitcoin sustain above a level of 46 139, which is its next resistance, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 48 139. From there we can see a level of 50 471. And if this level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 552 804. Okay, and once if this level cross upside, then we can see it can move towards a level of 58 470, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 62 469, and then it can make its probability of making its new high. But if we talk about, sorry, if we think that if the Bitcoin moves below a level of 42 473, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 4140, and from there we can see it can move further low below around 35. Okay, but if we talk about Dogecoin, what you can see Dogecoin is continuously in the downtrend. Okay, but as of now we can see that it has made a green candle. Suppose if this level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of, okay, but if it sustain a level of 0.14814, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 0.1712. okay, and if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 0.2175. okay, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 0.2245, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 0.261578. okay, and then if it sustain this level also, then we can see it can move towards a level of 0.29. okay, and then it can move further upside. But if it this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of 0.11341952, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 0.10, and this level is already being tested here, so probability of going down towards a level of 0.074 is very high, and it can go further low, okay, towards a level of 0.05545. okay, and if we talk about Ethereum, we can see a uptrend is forming. okay, an uptrend is forming. So what we can see, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of, okay, it can touch a level of 3313, and if from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 3452. okay, and once this level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 3924, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 4035, and from there we can see it can move further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then what we can see, it can fall further low towards a level of 2896, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 2799. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 2562, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 2465. okay, and this 2465 is already being tested here. So suppose if the price goes below a level of 2562, we can see it can move further low towards a level of 2493. From there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 2312, and suppose if it goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 2160, and it can go further low. But if we talk about Litecoin, what we can see, a cup pattern is forming again in this particular zone. But if it sustain above a level of 196, then only we can see it can move further upside. But suppose, and now we have seen a doji candle here, and then from there we have seen a green candle is forming. So suppose if the price goes above a level of 144.785, where the next resistance we can see is coming at this particular range. If this level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards level 156.914, and if this level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 193.302, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards level of 215.828, and this level is already being tested here. So keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level of 195 and this level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 219, which is already being tested here. So probability of going towards a level of 238 is high, and from there we can see it can move further side towards a level of 250. Level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 103, and if this level goes below this price, then we can see a level of 92 also. And suppose if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 90. If this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 91, and from there we can see it can fall further towards a level of 68.543 also. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my